All right, what's going on, guys? How we doing? How we doing? What's up there, YouTube? All right, we got the Ford Fiesta Traxxas. We're gonna add these cambers in the front, aluminum upgrades. We haven't. Oh, waiting on the rear ones, so we'll just do a quick video of this on the front. We have been upgrading this thing, revamping it back, so we can get out. Hopefully, when the weather is better, or sometime in the springtime. But yeah, we're gonna do these front cambers here. These are the old plastic stuff. So we're just gonna do a quick little video of this. I'm going to take this one off just to make sure that we're good for the size before I crack that open. Because I went by the measurements and then I just found them. They're not exactly specifically say they're for that. But if anybody's looking for a camber, the aluminum cambers for these, stuff like that, I think these are the 70. They say they're the rare ones. They're rare. And they're 73 millimeters. They say they're rare camber links, but I think they're rare for I think they're rare ones for the Rustler. It's different size, so it's 2.5. Just grab a 3 mil just in case. All right, so the right size. So we can break this open because of the right size. They're not specifically ones for this, but we just took measurements of them. And they're 73. I mean, they have steel ones, but I don't know about the steel. But I mean, it's the same. This is the same as what the Russell uses. So yeah, we're gonna use these camber links, which they say rare on them, but they're the same length as this. So if you want to use these for your front, that's the number for the front. It says left, right, blue. But on this packaging up here, it says it says rear links, which I think they're for the what you call it, the for the rustler. So I got some hardware here. We're gonna just find a potential length that's the same length that we can use. Just miscellaneous, yeah, hardware that we bought. So these considered the bottom of the head, right? So 10 mil. This has got blue Loctite on it, but I don't. There's a 10 mil ones. We don't need ones with blue Loctite, but I'm pretty sure. We also want something that's going to bite on it too. And that's not going to do it. So I wonder if the blue Loctite ones will be long enough. All right, we got one without blue Loctite. So we can find another one. All right, we get two. Let's put that underneath there. So, all right, so I think it's 2 millimeter, right? Yeah. All right, we got that aluminum camber piece in there now. So, all right, give me a second. I just want to put all this. We don't need that. Don't need that. Put all these extra screws back. All right, take that there. Alright, I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, definitely get a different bench or a different camera. Get a camera angle differently. Yeah, so we have a better camera angle. So take this off here. Take that off. Put that one there. Put that. We don't need that. Don't need that. Alright, just trying to get that hole because he's got like 3 holes there. Right. Got that. So, yeah, we got the camber links. For the front, we changed it from this. Go with the aluminum. So, they say they're rare, but if you do the measurements right, this is 73 millimeter. These are 73 millimeters. So, these will work. If you want to potentially upgrade these, they're not listed as Traxxas doesn't list them as that, but I did a little bit looking. So all you need is the 73mm ones to replace these. We will do another video when probably next week, because I'm waiting for the rear ones that go in the rear to replace the rear ones of the other ones a little shorter. So check it out. All right, these are the ones. I will put them in the description in the video, or in the description of the numbers and all that. So if you want to potentially upgrade them on the Rally, if you have an old Gen 1, I'm not sure if Gen 2 will fit, but hopefully you'll check it out. All right, and we're gonna put this back together. So hopefully this will help somebody. All right, so if you don't mind, please subscribe and hit that like, thumbs up, and get the note bell so you'll be able to see when videos get uploaded, stuff like that. So hopefully check them out. All right, so we'll be doing the rear when we get them in. All right, so check you out later. Thank you.